Hello everyone, this is the video about our Quizlet. The new Quizlet card set is 010521. I'll be going through these, but this is something you'll need to go into the Quizlet and do on your own. This video is an overview of what there is on there. Okay, so here's our first card. You have music staff, and it's 5 lines and 4 spaces. Notes are written on it. Next is the treble clef. So it looks like this. G clef, lines are E, G, B, D, F, spaces are face. Bass clef. So it looks like this. It's also called the F clef because these 2 dots encompass the line F. Lines are G, B, D, F, A, spaces are A, C, E, G. I'm going through this quickly. You'll need to go through this at your own pace. Alto clef looks like this. C clef. Oh, the lines are F, A, C, E, G, spaces are G, B, D, F. It's C clef because this arrow kind of points to the C line. There are 20 cards. Tab. So if you're ukulele, guitar, electric bass, you read the tabs. Each line represents the string. So this is the lowest. If you're playing at holding your fretting hand with your left hand, this is the bottom string, and this is the top string closest to you. 1 means to put your first finger, 0 means to play the string open. Whole note. So we all should read some basic rhythms so that we can learn to play together. Whole note looks like this egg. It gets 4 beats, so you hold it for 4 beats long. Half note, you hold it for 2 beats long. Quarter note, this is the basic pulse or the beat that you tap your foot to, 1 beat. Okay, a measure, when you're getting all of this music, you know what all this means when we talk about measures. So the music is divided into measures. It's the distance between these 2 bar lines. So the space between is called 1 bar or a measure. Sometimes they call it a bar. A bar line is this line that comes down, dividing the staff into measures. Double bar line indicates the end of a piece when it has this thick line. If it just has one thin line here, 2 lines, then it's the end of a section. Time signature. So it's at the beginning of the music. You see these 2 numbers. It looks like a fraction, but it's not. The top number tells you the number of beats per bar or per measure. The bottom number shows, oh typo, what kind of note gets 1 beat. So 1/4 is a quarter, right? 0.25. If it was 8 on the bottom, the 8th note gets the beat. If it was a 2 at the bottom, the half note gets the beat, and so forth. So these are some basic things to know as you navigate the music. These are some of the instruments. The highest orchestra string instrument is the violin. So be familiar with these. Viola is the 2nd highest orchestra string instrument. It's like the alto voice. Cello is the 3rd highest orchestra string instrument. And the double bass is the lowest orchestra string instrument. Ukulele is what we call a rhythm instrument. Sometimes you can do soloing with it. It's the most popular instrument today. Very popular. Guitar, popular 20th century instrument. Electric bass, invented in the 1930s. It kind of was a small version of that big double bass. It was more portable and it could be amplified. And then strings. All of our instruments in our orchestra class produce sound by the strings. So be familiar with this card set.